Hello everyone, my name is Billy McCuna and I'm a broadcast and media professional located in Great Neck, New York. And today I'm going to be talking about my initial impressions of the Stream Deck Plus. This is a new product from Elgato, and what makes it really special is these 4 knobs, which are turnable in either direction and also have a push button on each of them, migrated with the buttons that are existent in other models of the Stream Deck. And why this is important is especially if you're doing stuff that involves audio work, and if you want a dial up, a dial down function, and also some other capabilities using the push buttons. This is a really good product because I think this opens the door to so many more possibilities. But because this is a new product, it's going to have limited native compatibility with certain applications. So if you're looking for a specific function, it may not be available yet. So if there's something that you really need for a certain application, it probably may not be available. But one thing that I do know is that it does have audio capabilities with OBS. What is possible with the Stream Deck Plus is that you are able to convert commands into MIDI commands. So let's say if you are working in vMix and you want to use this to mix some audio buses, yes, this is possible. And what I was able to do was I was able to get the MIDI plugin downloaded on Stream Deck setup software, and I was able to put MIDI commands into these knobs, and I'm actually able to adjust the audio on vMix because I'm using MIDI shortcuts in vMix using a control change input to make changes to my audio levels. I've actually programmed this to change the audio levels on 8 audio buses, including a master bus. So what I really like about this is that I'm actually able to get the precise control that I need from the software to be able to get where I am. And even if you don't have a Stream Deck Plus at the moment, but you want to be able to get certain functionalities that aren't native in terms of the what's available with the Stream Deck software, as well as the built-in store where you can add more stuff, is that it's really good being able to explore these alternative methods, including MIDI, including Bitfocus, in order to get where you need, because not everything is going to be available at a certain time. But if you do have broadcast IT engineering skills like I am, you can definitely get to places that aren't existent within the software. But I think that this is a great step in the right direction. Kudos to Elgato for making this wonderful product, because I think it opens the door to more possibilities. Also, it's a beautiful design too. The knobs don't feel cheap. My initial impressions are this is a great product. I definitely would recommend trying it out, but also do your research to see what's available for you. And thank you for watching this video. Subscribe below, and if you have any questions, you could also send me a message. And if you are looking for something that is a bit different than what you're doing, if you have any trouble, you can always reach out to me anytime. But thanks again. My name is Billy McCuna. Thanks for watching this video.